Joyeux Noël, Merry Christmas à nous toutes mes amours. Merci de ce que tourner sur channel Parola et merci de ce que tourner back dans l'autre vidéo. Si c'est la première fois que cliquez sur channel ça, m'abdou bienvenue et joyeux Noël. Madame pas qu'à parler mes amours. Pas oublier pour qu'à faire partie de belle famille ça, tout ce que pour faire c'est juste peser bouton abonner pour qu'à faire partie de belle famille ça. Nouveau et ancien abonnés mes amours. Je vous aime. Merci de ce qu'on continue channel la grandi. Comme nous avons aujourd'hui, yes, nous nous tenue de Noël. Parce que jeudi, c'est Noël. Nous espérons que vous passez un bon Noël avec toute famille. Ou remet tout cadeau et tout cadeau que mon bon que vous faites. Moi, espère que pas seulement deux cadeaux, yo, mon capable connaître the reason why you are celebrating today. So, sans plus tarder, n'a pas dans la vidéo. Enjoy, nous pas faire trop long. Today is Christmas, you want to spend it with your family because I'm going to dîner, m'a fait tout petit, m'a juste montré nous, ça n'a manger as a tradition. Nous manger petit chocolat, nous boire chocolat, nous manger petit pain, then nous open up the gift, then nous commencer faire manger. Okay? Parce que bat moi. Nous ready? Yeah, chaque monde parle manger malade. Ça veut beurre, peanut butter, cream cheese, chocolat. Hey baby, say hi. Hi baby. Really? C'est joyeux Noël.
Oh, ho, 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 ho.
Oh no. Alright guys, n'après nous petit temps encore, nous pral manger. Go ahead, mama.
Okay, Merry Christmas, everybody.
Say what you had to say.
Oh, I just want to say I'm very grateful for what you said you got me.
Okay.
Thank you.
So you wanna start?
Yes! This one first.
Just look at your name if
This
it's your
one
name.
Yup, this one. I've been waiting for you my whole life.
Doing the extra mile.
You got me in the
It wasn't no shoes. I thought you were shoes.
Thank you! You got me in the
Get a plastic bag.
Oh. I already know what it is.
Okay. No.
Right.
I told you that thing is not gonna. Get up, get up. Show the side.
What's that?
This side that's showing that.
Oh, it's a laptop.
Okay.
Yay! And do this one.
Show everything. Get up and show everything.
Oh, I saw this on the thing. Oh, so this one is like oh, I don't know if you guys can see. It's snowflake and cashmere.
Just take the whole box and
Oh, the
bring
whole
it on
box?
that thing.
That is like bad for my wrist. Oh, this works.
Okay. Show it, girl. Show it. No, no.
Yes.
My daughter got me a gift.
You sure you want to see this makeup?
Ah, thank you, baby.
Oh my god.
I'm busy for what's in my makeup, so you make sure you buy makeup. That is so good. Thank you, mama. Me make it for me, Ah, okay. Thank you, mama.
You
Oh, look at this, guys. Oh, thank you. Good job. So, this is for Steph.
Are you crying? Look
Oh.
at this.
This is for my daughter-in-law, Sarah Chelmois. Yes. Leopard, honey.
For you.
Okay, baby. This one. All right. Okay. Hello, handsome. Hello, beautiful. Show me.
You
Let's see.
And inside the mugs is like the color of
Okay.
Just shit up what kind of Oh,
His favorite, Axaro. Yes. Okay. And the last one. Yes. Hey, make that. I pay people to do it. Okay, show them. Get up over and show them. Okay. This is Stanley's gift. So what is it? Some plaque, you get to dessin Noel and everything. So this is my words. You are my backbone, my word perfect husband, and I thank God for putting you in my life. You are a great husband and father, and I am wishing you a Merry Christmas, my love, from your wife, Sophie Tiboul. Yes, he likes to call me his Tiboul. And it's dated December 2020. Raison pour laquelle moi fais ça, because c'est pas les moun n'a pas là encore pour honorer ma ou pour honorer madame ou petit ou whatever moun qui means a lot dans la vie ou. And he is a great man. And come again. We wishing you guys on Joyeux Noël. Come, watch out. No. Go over there so you don't get on this thing.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah, so li ka coquille and everything. Come. So, whoops. N'a pas faire mes vidéos là, okay? Put that down, baby. N'a pas ton fait de vidéo là. M'espère qu'on content ou te garder tout ça que nous te joindre nous pour enjoy Christmas, no? Yes, et puis now encore dans your prochaine vidéo, protéger tes tout, protéger famille. Pas oublier, peser la cloche de notification chaque live qui est en vidéo pour qu'on connaisse. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Joyeux Noël.